If you've been trying to change your YouTube Shorts thumbnail and it either doesn't work or you can't even find that option, you're not alone. This is way more hidden than it should be. I literally thought you couldn't change it at first, but you actually can, and I'm going to show you exactly where it is because it's not where you think. Let me show you. First, on your phone, not on your laptop, open your YouTube app, not the YouTube Studio app, the actual YouTube app. Go to your channel by clicking on your profile picture on the bottom right, and then tap on your videos. Tap into your Shorts tab. Find the short you want to change, tap the three dots, and then click Edit. Now this is the part most people miss. At the top of your video preview, there's a tiny pencil icon. Tap that. Now you'll see a slider at the bottom. This is where you actually choose your thumbnail. Just drag it to pick the exact frame you want. Once you're happy with it, click on the check mark in the top corner. And yes, you can do this even after your short is already published. But you can't upload a custom thumbnail. You have to choose a frame from your video. You can add text or filters inside the screen though, so if you want it to stand out more, that's your best option. Also, this only works on your phone. You can't do this on desktop or in the YouTube Studio. So just to recap really quickly, go to your short, tap Edit, tap the pencil icon, pick your frame, and save. And don't just pick a random frame. Pick something that makes someone actually want to click. If you're trying to grow on YouTube right now, want your videos to actually get clicks and not just sit there, check out this video next. I break down what's actually working on YouTube right now.